into the close. Nasdaq's down 61 handles, almost 62 handles. Don't try to pick the bottom in this one, guys. Minimum objectives, if you look at the S&P, is the old low at 1077, and the Nasdaq has even more to go, I think. What was the old low there? 1972. The Nasdaq's trading 20. Well, I can't even read the boards anymore. 2077, so another 100 handles before you even find the next big objective here. Remember, when you break out of those flag formations, those are powerful signals. We've caught some flags on the way up in the bonds and notes over the last couple months, and now you're getting a flag on the equities on the downside, and it looks like the market's going to roll here. Hoping actually we can get a bit of a bounce in the equities tomorrow, counter trend Tuesday trade, but don't want to bet on that. What else? 10 years. We caught some of the up move, I think. Guys have been okay with that trade. The bonds and notes are still looking pretty strong. They closed right on their highs. Fed's buying. Remember, we highlighted the fact that the Fed's buying today. They bought bonds and notes, or bonds today. They're buying tomorrow. They're buying Wednesday. Not until Thursday when they start selling the short end. I think we got a couple days of possible upside there as the Fed's buying and stocks are selling off. He's got the double whammy there. I've highlighted some important levels to look at on the 10-year. I'm looking at the 79% retrace over there. It's 131, 11, 12. We're trading 130, 103, 04 right now. I don't see a problem with us testing that level overnight. If you still have some longs on board, you might want to kick a few out against that 11-12 level, and maybe we'll get a counter, trend Tuesday trade tomorrow. The market certainly had some power on the move today. You don't want to get short, but I think you can look to see and take some profits against these levels here, and continue moving your stops up. I moved on the newsletter this morning. I said move the stops up. You don't want to see it go. What was it, level 129.22. And that trend line's moving up a couple ticks every day, so move your stops up at least a couple ticks every day. And at this point, you should be protecting profits and not letting winners turn into losers at all. We'll see what happens against the old highs. I think we're going to go poke around. What was it? 130, 121 is the trend line on the 10-year. 130, 130 is the old highs. I think you got a shot at seeing a retest of those levels over the next couple days, especially with this equity down move occurring. The gold trade, I'm still not real confident. It's trading up here. I think aggressive traders should have been long. Again, we're seeing the overnight moves where the highs and lows are being made. The highs were made last night around 1670-ish on the gold, and we've never really been able to get much movement here intraday at all. And it's actually kind of coming off and moving away from its highs here intraday. And we still have some longs here intraday, but we have seen the commitment of traders numbers a big drop in the large spec longs in the gold and silver. I'm still leaning towards being more of a buyer than a seller of the gold and silver, but you want to buy dips there. The market had these massive sell-offs, and needs time to heal a little bit more, I think. But again, with the Fed active again, if we start to see the deflationary headwinds start to abate a little bit and the money supply figures starting to grow again, maybe we can take a look at being more aggressive on buying gold and silver. But I think you want to be sort of a, what's the word I'm looking for all baseball fans? You're hitting for average and not hitting for a home run there. You don't want to be a long-term buy and hold guy. You want to be a trader right now. And I feel the same way about the 10 years too. So we'll see. Get the email tomorrow morning. I'm still trying to get my email system updated here, guys. I know a couple of you guys have sent me, some requests to get on the email list, and I've been struggling to get that thing updated, but have had a little bit of trouble with the activity in the markets. I'll keep trying overnight tonight. Have a great one.